All right, y'all. So I just wanted to show y'all the actual P&L for today. So yeah, this is what we netted at. So this is pretty much what I like the net. This is the amount that I made today. Like this, well, no, this is the amount that I made today. Cause right, I took a loss. My account was minus 155, and this is where we're at. This is where I finished at today. This is the funded account. Just gotta get. I think I have. Today will be my second day of the $200. Yep, today will be my second day. So I just need three more winning days, a 200 plus, um, close to $1,000 buffer. So yeah, super super close. So yeah, but this is the way I'm going to be approaching this account. Something clean. Gonna go in with heavier risk. Something less clean. Not as heavy risk. I'm at $900. So at this point, like I mean, once I get to the point to where I'm at a $2,000 buffer, I'm gonna really just scale with straight micros because I'm just trying to preserve most of my capital so I can get my first payout, right? So I can get that first payout. Hey, this is like only realistically like the third trading day for me on this account. The first day I had the two wins, right? Positive. And then I took a loss the next day. And then this is the third day. Boom. This is where we're at right now. But yeah. So my no trading day this week. I mean, like I'm gonna be honest, this week is really interesting. There's really not any news this week for a while. There's like no news this week for a while. So um as you guys can see though, I did hop out that trade though. I mean, and here's the thing, we're trending bullish. So this was our retracement down to here. So this is what I'm saying. You could have either, if you look for that short, you could either take it off of here, break even, or retrace up to there, right? Yeah, I mean, break even here, take either partial here, or you could have honestly fully closed. Like I said, if I would have won, I would have fully closed here because we had this bullish gap, traced to that bullish gap, consolidation traded up higher. But yeah, here's the thing. On these these trendy type days that I've really noticed, anytime we place in a fair value gap, whether if we're in a bullish or bearish trend, but we're in a bullish trend, a lot of them, majority of the time, they're gonna get respected. They get respected, and then we trade, continue back up, right? Here's the thing: we inversed here, we trade back into this, so we get a retracement here. Um, and then let's look over here. So price is just kind of like in this consolidation form. I think we're still gonna continue to definitely go up. Probably like consequent encroachment of this wick. We already came down. We took out sell side, so we should definitely probably just go up. Should I take one more trade, guys? What you guys think? What do you think? What do you guys? I'm asking y'all like it's live. I mean, honestly, maybe I'm gonna go in with one contract though, one mini. Just see what we do. Going in with the one. Really embrace, thought that change the state to the upside. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in with one contract. Just literally just one. Um, should we go up to high of day? Probably not. I might just go to this swing here. This previous swing high. Or should I just target here? I could just target here. Yeah. Okay, so we displace. I thought we were gonna. Yeah, okay, we should be good. This should displace back up higher. Possibly look to take out these lows here. Give it a little bit of wiggle room. But I'm just kind of just like messing around. I mean, I shouldn't be messing around on my funded, but I'm not tripping, man. I went in with one contract, one micro. I said, shit, fuck it. Let's go on with one. And yeah, let's see what we can get, man. I want to show y'all something live. So if we take a loss, then we take a loss. If we take a win, we take a win. It's not making really a difference to me. But yeah, where am I gonna go break even? I'll go break even once we come back to this high. This will be my break even point. Break even partial, but like not partial, just break even. And yeah, so kind of have this about the same. My strategy is literally the same every time. So boom, boom, boom. We have our change in state of delivery. Something about right here, change in state, inverse off of this 1 minute, retrace into this gap here, expecting us just to continue back up higher with the overall trend. You're gonna go break even there. And yeah. And then look at how we get this wick. This wick is starting to play out perfectly on this 5 minute, back within above equilibrium of this range. Right. So from this high, my entry, shit is fucking huge. The zero point 0.5 range from from here to here, right? So we're above this premium, the zero range, the point 0.5 range. This is kind of like the range where the money is here. Like this is where it's really good. Um, but we got in about right here, so not too far off from it. Uh, New 5 minute candle just open, and we're pushing up higher. Uh, yeah, we got that change, right? And then as you can see, these are the kind of the points where you would like, for this is like the standard deviation type thing, with the Fibonacci. But yeah, and then I have my TP here at this 121 for 5750 right there. So take that off. I liked how we respected that 5 minute open bullish immediately. So go break even there. Expecting us to get out of this range. So that's what we're doing. So we're starting to get some movements higher. We do have this bearish order block right here as well, though, from here to here. I'm not too worried about that. So pretty much break even. But yeah, I want to give you guys a live trade just so y'all can see, like, you know what I'm saying. I'm doing pretty well. You know, strategy is pretty good. So if we get stopped, we get stopped. But yeah, I do like this initial reaction that we got off this 5 minute. We try to place in this SMT, but not really super, not worried about that. Um, and yeah, of course we have our SMT with, NQ from here to here, SMT. Not gonna mark it out. Yes, places at SMT, so hey, not bad. I just said, sure, fuck it, let's go on with one contract, and just so I can give you guys something. It's crazy. I'm giving you guys so much stuff. Like I'm showing y'all like it's really not that difficult. Like it's really simple if you just put in the time and actually just really learn. And just getting the psychology part. That's the part that I'm still kind of iffy with. Once I really like get the psychology part, I'll be okay. Like I'm not even tripping on the money I make today if I lose. That's why I just went on one. I'm literally not. I'm just doing this for you guys. I probably should be doing this on like a practice, but I'm not worried. I'm doing this for you guys. just so you guys can see this. Like, yeah, as you can see. But yeah, um, so we're out of that range. Dealt with that consolidation, dealt with that chop. Like, this is a good long. This is cool. Um, you know, price has just been trendy all day. You could aim for this if you want high up day off of this wick SMT, but I don't need to, don't really want to. All right, so but yeah, TP looking like we should take it out. So um, gonna keep my stop there, and yeah, see what happens. You know. But yeah, guys, that's it. Trading is really like one of those things. It's like, I really do like it, but it's just one of those things. It's like, it's not, if you don't overcomplicate it, and it's like, you're gonna eventually, the more you look in the market, you'll see the same shit reoccurring. You'll be like, oh, wait, this is simple. Like, let me just get in and do this like this, right? It's just literally just a reoccurring cycle. You got news and stuff like that. That's why risk management is like literally just key. Right. Sometimes I still need to, you know, be smart with my risk and not do anything crazy. Um, Trying to think, do I want to put this into like two separate videos? Probably, I don't know. Well, honestly, I might just upload this, to be honest. I think I'm gonna just upload this one. So I did another recording of like the other trades, but it's fine. This is the live trade that I want to show you guys. So, but yeah, pretty much those other trades were really good. They played out really well. Yeah, so. Now we're just gonna wait and see what this does right here. So, um, yeah, let me see something. 2 minute. I'm trying to see if we're trying to pull back to anything. Not really, no. Should be good to continue to go back up higher. Got a little retracement. So yeah, we should be good. 5 minute opens up bullish once again. Don't. But yeah, um, I love trading, man. This is one of my things. I'm so happy, I found this skill. Um, it's one of those things. It's just like, dang. It's like with trading. It's like one of those things. It's like you're not gonna forget to like how to do this. You know, like I like this. This is something, and this is just really informative. This is like educational. Um, you know, this isn't financial advice. Just letting you know. But yeah, I like to trade. It's really cool. It's really good. You know. Um, I'm so happy I learned this, and it's like, trading can take you far, It's kind of like one of those skills. It's like you don't even have to like, even if you don't want to trade, like if you want to get a job trading now, it's definitely different, right? Than just doing this, because it's like you actually got to go to school. You need math. You got to, quants, all that shit. It's different. You know what I'm saying? Than just doing like, learning from a person and like, looking at you know, using stuff and confluences and to be able to like, using little blocks and gaps and like fair value gaps, all that type ICT concepts pretty much like, and that's one thing like using like it's kind of interesting to me because people kind of like to shit on like ICT traders, especially sometimes like the quant traders and stuff, because they got they use all their like, quantitative analysis and all those, all the numbers and stuff, right? For like the most profitable setups and entries and everything. And it's like there's people who've made it off of trading from just using ICT's concepts. Like, yeah, he might not be like the best guy or whatever, but it's trading, it is what it is. Things happen. But his concepts are proven to work, right? Multiple, plenty of times, and they work a lot, right? Like look at what we're doing right now, this market. As you can see, we consolidate, we wait, and then we just kind of just like break out and we shoot up. Yeah, you see? So let's secure a little more. Hopefully, I'm trying to just see if we just shoot up and take this out. But this is definitely my last trade of the day, actually. Um, I'm gonna be good after this. I just wanted to show y'all this. That's why I just went in with one contract. This is probably like 42 bucks that we're up, but that's fine. I'm not tripping. I don't even need the funds. I'm just doing it just for you guys. But like, yeah, it's weird. Like it shoots up and then we consolidate, shoots up. So it's interesting, PA. You know. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day today, though. Today, what am I gonna do? The gym, stuff like that. Yep, stop that. Profits relative. So that's fine. You know, made a lot today, but I just want to kind of show you guys what I look for. And this is just really choppy. More than likely we're gonna hit this. Like this TP is gonna get hit, but I'm not tripping. On today, I'm good. I don't need any more. Just want to show y'all something. So take this how y'all want to take it. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Road to 100 subscribers. And yeah, see y'all on some more content. Peace.